Hey everyone, happy Friday. I just wanted to go ahead and connect with you all again. We've had a busy week with a lot of announcements, and I wanted to go over a couple of those highlight items for you guys. The first thing, I really just want to go ahead and acknowledge all of the award winners. We had a lot of fun this week with you guys. Really just going over, and celebrating the success that you guys have had in 2020. We know that 2020 was not the easiest year in the world, and we've really had to pivot our businesses. And so, I am really our congratulations is so heartfelt on all the work that you've done. We were extremely excited to place in the top 10 offices with the Downey Association of Realtors as well, out of over 350 offices. So that was something that that award belongs to all of you and what you've been able to do and accomplish within this past year. And I wanted to make sure that I shared some of the announcements. So those of you that were on the team meeting will have already seen some of this. And yet I want to go ahead and make sure that I'm sharing it out now for you, where you're going to find all of the resources that we have available, from the marketing bar, our 21-piece marketing, material that's going out, as well as one of the programs I know was really exciting, our new KW Seller Solutions program. So let me go ahead and share my screen. And you guys should be right here on our brand new KW Hub, right? Which is going to be an area for you for shortcuts for whatever it is that you might need. So you're going to find right over here in the calendars area, you're going to see a link for all of our training. The first of those, I know that every morning you've been getting kind of a link to what are the trainings that are going on for that day and what's happening at any given time. That is now moved over to the KW Seller Training and Events. And so when you click on this, it's going to open a page that looks like this. You can see our additional daily live stream training. Any featured events will be featured in red. And you can see right over here that here is our calendar for Monday, all of next week. So Monday, you could see 9 a.m. here. We've got the guest training. You can click right into those Zoom links for any of those trainings that are going on. I want to note that we're also highlighting those KW live stream trainings. I'll note every single KW live stream course that has this, these are recorded, right? So I just want to point that out. If it doesn't work with your schedule, don't worry. You can always come right over here to calendars, click into the live stream, and you'll see what else is going on. Of course, there's also going to be the weekly market updates. If you missed the weekly market update in the morning, the recordings will be up and available here, as well as I know some of you guys are always asking, where do I download the slides? Well, the slides will be there for you. Here in concierge services. So I do want to talk a little bit about our new marketing concierge to go ahead and order marketing. When you click in there, it's going to open this page here. And so any of the marketing packages that you want to order, of course, you still have access to everything on Michael Lewis Marketing Suite. You still have access to everything within KW Designs. And yet you can come right in here to the marketing dashboard. And let's say you wanted to order this complete list to close marketing package, or you just want to see what it is, you can go ahead and click it. That's going to create a pop down right over here. You can see exactly what it entails, and you can pick your design package, right? And what you'd like to have. And so there's a lot of different packages that are going to be available in here. The same thing with if you want to do like an a la carte flyer. And this is specifically if you want it done for you. So of course, you can still go into Michael Lewis Marketing Suite. You can customize the designs that you want within your toolbox. You're always, able to go ahead and do that. And yet this is more, hey, I'm the person that, just wants to get it done and I don't want to do it myself, right? So you can do that in here as well. Beyond that, let's say that you want to have a branding appointment. You're thinking that maybe you want to customize your own brand and you want to have a consultation around doing branding. You can set up a custom branding appointment and they will go in and show you exactly what that package entails, right? Also things like creating a brand builder campaign, personalizing your website, all of these different items are going to be different packages that are available through that marketing piece as well. Now, I want to note the listing concierge and seller services specifically. Seller services, there's going to be a lot. You're going to see even more announcements about this next week. Starting next week, right, to the middle of next week, there's going to be a ton of other buttons that you're going to see right over here in listing concierge. The most important thing I want to note about this, our seller solutions program. If you are working on taking listings right now, right, the seller solutions program is going to be for you. It's going to give you the opportunity to request an instant cash offer or a premium bridge product, right? What is a bridge product? Now, I know right now, as we're going out and trying to get listings, most sellers, their number one issue is they don't know where they're going to move because there's not very much inventory, right, on the market right now. We get it. We know that that's a thing right now. And so what the bridge program is going to do is it's going to give you the opportunity to say, hey, Mr. Seller, or hey, Mrs. Seller, why don't we go ahead and sell your home, right? Let's do it with the bridge premium product. And you're going to go ahead and rent back your property so that we can now go and buy the next property cash in hand. Instead of now all of a sudden competing against 20, 30 offers with a contingent offer, now you have a much stronger offer in place. And here's the great thing. You retain both sides of the commission as the listing agent and as the buyer's agent without ever needing to go on the open market, and giving your client a solution to rent back the property so that you can help also then represent them on the purchase of their next property. So it's a phenomenal program. In this section, there's going to be a note where you could say, get a cash offer, right, with the offer optimizer. But there's also going to be links to all of the training that we're going to be doing ongoing for you guys around this particular program. And then, of course, you've got your shortcuts over here. So that if you ever wanted to log into Command, instead of having to save all those shortcuts, they're all in one place. All of our logos, the approved logos are in here. Essentially anything that you might need, a ton of resources that are available for you here. We've got a new, I know sometimes you guys are asking about, hey, where can I get some polo shirts or things like that? We've got a 15% discount for you guys on KW promotional products. In addition to our regular calendar, we're going to have our featured events here. So next week, right? Next week, we have the phenomenal Derek Oy. He's the #1 KW team in California with over 4.5 in gross commission income last year. He's going to be doing that morning call as well for you guys. So keep an eye on that piece. You don't want to miss it. It's going to start 9 a.m. prompt every single day. And then Keller Williams International. So all the podcasts, the different insight or resources that you might need from KW are going to be right here as well. We've got a great video by Rich right here, and we'll have different messages that we post here as well. And then I know sometimes, you guys are looking to schedule an appointment, whether myself or with our team. If you need a coaching consultation, you can schedule directly with me in person or via Zoom, and we're going to have more of those buttons coming up so you can schedule those appointments as well. That'll be available for you guys here. There's a Meet Our Leadership page, right? So let's say, I know sometimes you're looking for, hey, I need Brandy's contact information so I can schedule a coaching consultation. Now you have our contact information, email available right over here. Or, hey, I need to have a one-on-one with my tech concierge. That information is available here as well. Or, hey, what's the broker's number, right? So everybody's contact information is going to be available here for you with their email. You also have a link to our vendor page. This page is coming soon, and all of our vendors will be featured. So if you're ever looking for like home warranty or anything like that, that'll be available for you here as well. So all of our resources essentially in one place. I highly recommend that you bookmark this and make it your homepage. The last thing I wanted to remind you guys is starting this coming month, we also now will have an automatic included for you 21-piece 5-year mailing campaign for the buyers that you close. What does that mean? Well, we know that the fortune is in the follow-up, and we really want to help you protect your database. That doesn't just mean working with Command. It also means that sometimes we want to help you guys take it a step up and really run a phenomenal 36 touch. And part of the 36 touch campaign says 4 items of value delivered every single year. So when you close a buyer transaction, your client is going to get a piece in the mail that says thank you, along with address labels for their property, right? With your picture on it, your contact information, your branding, because it's about you. It's about keeping you top of mind. They're also going to receive 2 newsletters, right? These are like little magazine newsletters that they get, right? Twice a year for 5 years with your picture, your logo, your information on the front and the back, and they're going to get 2 postcards a year. We know at the end of the day, right, we want to make it as easy as possible for you to really create a scalable, predictable business. That's our goal. We know that the market's changing. We want to position you to compete against technology companies like Zillow. And this is how we're really striving to do that for you. So we hope you see us. We're really looking at just partnering with you in your business. And we know that you're working hard and we want to make it easier for you. So a lot of resources out for you. Take a look at the page, play around with it. If you have any questions, let us know. Keep an eye on those announcements for next week, because specifically some of the really important events, we're going to be doing some training on this new seller solutions program. With that, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal rest of your day, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.